If your job can be done by an AI tool and you're not learning how to build one, you're already behind. This isn't a warning, it's a timestamp. The shift has already happened, and most people didn't even notice. AI's not coming for your job. It already took it, quietly, efficiently. Writers, designers, assistants, editors. What used to take a team, now takes one person and an app. And if you're still waiting for permission to adapt, you're building a future where you're optional. Here's the line. There are two kinds of people in 2025. People who use AI tools. People who build them. If you're just a user, you're disposable. The real value now is in understanding how the machine works. You don't need a PhD. You need initiative, a weekend, maybe an online course. The tools to build AI are easier than ever, and most are free. When you know how AI works, you stop being afraid of it. You stop reacting and start designing. You can automate your own work, create digital products, launch tools that run while you sleep. You don't have to be a coder, you just have to be curious. Prompts, APIs, no-code builders, it's all within reach. But if you're not learning, someone else is, and they'll automate circles around you. This isn't doom and gloom, it's a map. Right now you can learn prompt engineering in an afternoon, build a chatbot in under an hour, launch a micro AI product by next week. The barrier isn't knowledge, it's hesitation. And the longer you wait, the faster your options vanish. So here's your move. Pick one thing AI has replaced in your job. Learn how that tool works under the hood. Use that knowledge to build a better version or a smarter workflow. It's not about becoming an engineer. It's about staying relevant in a world that's moving with or without you. If you want to be irreplaceable, don't just use the machine. Learn to drive it. Subscribe for step-by-step tutorials, no-code builds, and simple breakdowns of what's coming next. And watch this next video. We'll build an AI workflow from scratch with zero code. Let's move.